Alam mo ba na withdrawing your money from your RESP or the Registered Education Savings Plan involves some tax planning kung gusto mong mas ma-optimize ang withdrawal and save tons of taxes sa pag-withdraw dito sa RESP mo? RESP has two buckets. One bucket is taxable and the other one is not taxable. The non-taxable bucket consists of all the money na nilagay mo sa account na to. Ito yung tinatawag na contributions mo. Lahat ng perang galing sa iyo na kinontribute mo sa account na ito. Because this is your money, nataksa na to ng gobyerno. So, hindi na to matataksan. You can take this amount anytime without any tax implications from your RESP. Yung taxable bucket naman natin sa RESP, ito yung CESG or yung grant or yung free money from the government as well as yung growth ng pera mo over time o yung tinatawag na investment income. What you should do is withdrawin mo muna yung taxable portion ng RESP mo, which are the grants and the investment income, because it will be taxed in the hands of the student or ng anak mo, and for sure wala pa siya masyadong tax na babayaran kasi kung meron man siyang trabaho, maliit pa lang yung employment income niya. So magiging maliit pa rin yung tax na babayaran niya. So he or she will pay little to no taxes to this amount. By pulling the taxable portion out first, you're also maximizing the amount of grant money that you're taking out. So kung yung education mo is much lower than you expected, at least nakuha mo muna lahat ng government money kasi sayang naman kung hindi mo magagamit dahil ibabalik mo lahat ng yon sa gobyerno. Feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about RESP withdrawals.